Meaning of fuse box.
Fuse box.
Fuse box.
Fuse box.
Fuse box. A fuse box is a protective device that houses fuses or circuit breakers to prevent electrical overload and short circuits in a building's electrical system. It is typically located in a central location, such as a basement or garage, and controls the flow of electricity to different areas of the building. When an electrical overload occurs, the fuse or circuit breaker will trip, cutting off the flow of electricity and preventing potential damage or even fires. The fuse box is an important safety feature in any building and should be regularly maintained and inspected by a qualified electrician.